Are you tired of paying high electricity bills every month, especially in summer when you use your AC? The high cost of electricity makes it difficult to live comfortably, and it really hurts financially during a time when everything else is rising dramatically. Gasoline, natural gas, and even the cost of eggs. Everything seems to be skyrocketing. In this video, we're going to unlock the secret to huge savings that are possible with solar. Let's get started. Solar energy offers numerous financial benefits for homeowners. Installing solar panels can reduce your electricity costs significantly by generating your own electricity at a much lower cost per kilowatt than what you are currently paying to the electric company. This means that you can save money right away and for decades to come. Another significant financial incentive for homeowners to switch to solar energy is the 30% solar tax credit. The 30% tax credit was set to expire in 2022 when, at the last minute, it was extended. This tax credit can help you save a substantial amount of money on your initial solar installation costs. Take advantage of this huge savings while it is still available. However, it's important to note that you must qualify for the IRS solar tax credit to be eligible for this incentive. To learn more about the solar tax credit, you can watch our informative video on the 9 key points about the solar tax credit. Investing in solar energy is a smart financial decision because it increases the value of your property. Solar panels are considered an asset, and they can significantly enhance the desirability of your home if you decide to sell it in the future. This means that you can potentially recoup your initial investment in solar energy and even make a profit when you sell your home. One of the most common concerns that homeowners have about switching to solar energy is the cost of maintenance. Fortunately, solar panels are known for their low maintenance requirements and long lifespan. Solar panels do not have any moving parts that wear out over time, which means that they require minimal upkeep. Additionally, there are no tune-ups needed, and you don't have to worry about replacing any parts because there are no components that are prone to damage or failure. What's more, solar panels typically only require cleaning once or twice a year, and only if they become dirty or dusty. This means you won't have to spend a lot of time or money on maintenance costs, which makes solar energy a more affordable and cost-effective solution. You can enjoy the benefits of solar energy without having to worry about expensive repair or replacement costs over the years. One of the key factors in maximizing your savings with solar energy is to evaluate your energy needs carefully and avoid overbuilding your system. To achieve the most cost-effective solution, you should match your solar system size to your family's yearly kilowatt consumption. To determine the right size solar system for your home, you should review your energy usage over the past year and calculate how many kilowatt hours of energy you consumed from the electric company. This information will help you to determine the right size solar system you need to install for your family. It's important to note that cookie-cutter solar companies that only offer predetermined sizes of solar systems may not provide the most cost-effective solution for you. In our experience, it's best to work with a solar company that can customize your solar system to fit your exact needs precisely. If you find that you need more power in the future, you can always add panels to your solar system to accommodate your growing energy needs. This is another reason why it's essential to work with a solar company that offers flexible solutions to match your changing energy requirements. To learn more, watch our video, What Makes a Good Solar Company? Another way that solar energy can save you money is through net metering if your utility company offers it. When your solar system produces more energy than you need, the excess energy is sent to the grid, and you earn credits on your electricity bill. In addition, depending on the state you live in, there may also be rebates and renewable energy credits available. To find out, Google search what solar incentives are offered in your state. To ensure that you're getting the most out of your solar system, it's essential to monitor its performance regularly. This includes tracking energy production and scheduling cleanings for your panels when necessary. This will help to maximize your savings over the long term by ensuring that your solar system is operating at optimal efficiency. With proper maintenance and care, solar panels have the potential to operate efficiently for 40 to 50 years. Needless to say, the longer you can get your panels to last, the more you'll save. Based on our first-hand experience, a good solar warranty is crucial for protecting your investment and providing peace of mind. A good warranty will save you money and protect your investment. It should cover all components and include clear guidelines on what's covered, how long it lasts, and how to make a claim. When shopping for solar panels, compare warranties and choose the most comprehensive one with the longest duration. While the upfront cost of a solar system may cause concern, the long-term savings can completely offset the initial investment, so that over time, it will pay for itself. And the solar system is an asset and an enhancement to your home, like a swimming pool, but without the high maintenance costs. If you want to learn more about solar and the different options available to you, visit CaliforniaSolarGuide.com. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive our latest videos on solar energy and other solar-related topics.